Texas Cooperative Extension team gets ready to load and drop the bait that helps to eliminate rabies in the coyote and gray fox population of South and West Central Texas. Teams from the Texas Department of Health, USDA, and the National Guard load up the rabies vaccines wrapped in a fish meal bait.
To accomplish the canine rabies bait drop in South Texas, over 31,000 miles were flown, covering approximately 12,000 square miles of area to drop the baits. Approximately 35 baits were dropped per linear mile in the exercise.
The purpose of the program is to protect the human health and safety. Nunley said in 1988, Texas had 2 different rabies outbreaks within the state, among coyotes and unvaccinated dogs. Humans' lives were lost in the outbreaks. In 1995, the oral rabies vaccination program came together with the idea of setting up a barrier of vaccinated coyotes along the leading edge of the rabies outbreak, which started in the Rio Grande Valley. Rabies in coyotes was found as far as 45 miles south from San Antonio, Texas.
Some of the successes that we can determine whether the program is successful is doing surveillance work after we drop these 2.5 million baits a year.
A collection of biological samples after the bait drop can determine what portion of the wildlife population picked up the baits and what level of immunization these animals have.
The maintenance barrier that we have along the border for the coyote rabies has to be maintained, or basically you lose everything that you put into it up to that point. We are working with the Mexican government to try to enhance our ability through them to understand what's going on the other side of the border.
The already established programs teams work around the clock at the beginning of each year, loading and dropping the rabies baits. From San Antonio, Texas, I'm Norma Moreno.